Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to make tasty, delicious suya jollof rice. Yes, so if you are interested, please keep watching. And if this is your first time here, please do well to like this video and subscribe as well. So guys, let's begin. First, we need to get our suya beef ready. Yes, so here is our beef. So go on and wash them and pat them dry just like you're watching me do, okay? They are well washed and now we are drying them up with some kitchen towel. Alright guys, look at the sizes. You are free to cut to any size of your choice, but just make sure you chop them or cut them into bite sizes, alright? And the best beef to use for this recipe is beef knuckle or shin, okay? Alright guys, it's time to season it. Go on and add your salt. Now we're going in with some seasoning. Next is a teaspoon of ginger powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now a tablespoon of paprika and 2 tablespoons of suya spice. Followed by a tablespoon of peanut butter. Yes. So once you've added all of this, go on and drizzle in some amount of vegetable oil and mix them up, okay? Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome to Oma Sport. This channel teaches how to cook delicious meals, how to bake, and make small chops and snacks. So if you are interested, please do well to hit that subscription button and become part of this amazing family, okay? Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I post new video. Thank you so much. So guys, if you noticed, we added a teaspoon of chili flakes. So once you've added it, go on and mix just like you're watching me do. At this point, guys, we are done mixing. Look at how it is looking. Nice. So let's transfer it in the tray and pop into the oven and allow it to grill, okay? Make sure you arrange it very well, like spread it all out before putting it into the oven. Let me seize this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Thank you for your massive love and support. I love you all. So guys, pop into the oven and grill to your satisfaction. Moving on to the next step. Get a clean pot, go in with your vegetable oil. Once it is heated, go in with your dried thyme, your bay leaves, and your diced onions and give it a stir afterwards. Now, after a minute, introduce your tomato paste. We are making use of 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, okay? Now, stir to well combine and allow it to fry until the tanginess is no longer there, okay? This is us checking after 5 minutes. Now we are introducing our well-cooked fresh tomato and it got some ginger and garlic in it. You can blend your ginger garlic separately if you don't want to include it into your tomato, okay? Once you've added it, go on and stir to well combine and continue to fry until it is dry completely, okay? At this point, guys, our tomato is well fried. You can check it by testing it, right? Once there is no form of tanginess and the oil starts coming up or floating on it, just know it is ready. So guys, if you notice, we've added our rice. And once you've done that, go on and stir to well combine before introducing your meat stock, okay? If you don't have meat stock, you can make do of your water. All right? Now we are adding extra water. The water should be a little bit above your rice, okay? All right, guys. Stir just to make sure that everything is well mixed. Now introduce your seasoning. Wow, this one is a bit strong. I usually break them up like this so I don't bump into a whole cube of it, you know. Next is a teaspoon of curry powder. Now we are going in with a tablespoon of suya spice. Go in with your salt to taste and stir everything to well combine. Wow, we are good to getting a very tasty, delicious suya jollof rice, guys. All right, let's add more water. Just like I said, you have to cover it up with water. It should be a little above the rice. If you notice, we added some scotch bonnet to give it some hotness. Now cover it and allow it to cook. So guys, this is us checking after a few minutes, and as you can see, it still got some water. The goal is to get the water dry. Okay, so we're gonna adjust it and cover it up and continue cooking until it is dry completely. Okay, but this time guys, we're gonna cover it up with a foil paper. That way it will cook and dry quickly. All right. After a few minutes, we are checking, and at this point, guys, it is almost ready. And here is our suya beef, also ready. Pour it in and nicely, finely stir everything together, okay? Make sure you have lowered your heat. If possible, switch it all off, okay? Oh my, our SUYA jollof rice is looking sumptuous, guys. And it's super easy to make, guys. And super delicious. So what are you waiting for? Please give it a go, especially if you have not tested SUYA jollof rice before. All you need to do is just to follow the steps and you're good to having this delicious, tasty SUYA jollof rice. Alright guys, we are done. So it is time to plate our dish. So you dish it out with me. Oh my, guys. I wish you all can have a taste of this meal. You will so enjoy it. My whole kitchen smells of suya spice like, guys. Don't sleep on this one. Please give it a go and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section, all right? If you are thinking of how or where to get the suya spice, please look out for any African store near you, all right? You'll find it there. And if you do not want to go through the process of making the beef suya by yourself, you can go all out and get the already prepared one, okay? All right, guys, it is set. Please grab your spoon and enjoy this delicious meal with me. Guys, you're making this meal. It tastes super delicious and good. All right, guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. And if you found it interesting, please give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, follow, and as well, leave me a valuable feedback. Until next time. Keep cooking, keep smiling. Bye.